superannuated. Out of date and no longer useful. After reading the effective date, I realized my headache medicine was superannuated. We realized the baking soda we used in baking was superannuated when our cake didn't rise. The information we received about the application process was superannuated and had been updated to reflect changes in the policy. The information on my website was superannuated and needed updating. I needed password recovery when inactivity on my account revealed superannuated login information. Superannuated. Out of date and no longer useful. Superannuated. Out of date and no longer useful. Superannuated. Out of date and no longer useful.